Welcome to a Starlight the Clown balloon tutorial.
Here's one that I get requested a lot. Inflate your green balloon until there's about 2 or 3 inches left at the end. Just about like that. Now, the first thing we want to do is create the snout. And we're going to want 2 little 1-inch balloons right there behind it. And those are going to be the eyes. And we twist those on like that. Now we're going to want 2 loops, little ones. Something like that size. We're going to do it again. We want that on there like that. You're looking at it from above. Should look something like that. No, sorry, should look something like that. There we go. Now, we're going to need a nice long bubble for the middle part, the body. And then we're going to need 2 more loops just like the front legs. Now, what we've got basically looks like an alligator. To add a little character and flavor to each one, all you got to do is bend the tail. Bend the tail horizontally so that he kind of looks like he might be coming for you.